Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave and my first couponing deal video of 2026. Hard to believe. In today's deal video, I'm going to show you how you can save a lot of money with 10 cheap out-of-pocket couponing deals with a 50% or more savings for this Saturday, January 17th at Dollar General. Now, before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would leave me a comment down below. I want to know, what is your focus for couponing in 2026? What are you wanting to add more of into your stockpile? I know me personally, I really want to expand my stockpile to expand a section for paper products. It's something, believe it or not, I have never really done. Oh, and before I forget, if you could give me some feedback down below in the comments, today's deal video is going to be a lot different than my usual setup from my coupon deals in the past. Dollar General changed the format of the coupons to vertical compared to the previous horizontal style, so I had to completely redesign my deal videos. So please let me know below what you think. So let's get started with these deals because we have a lot of great deals to cover. In this first deal video, you're going to want to grab 2 sticks of Axe deodorant, 1 box of the Febreze plug boosters. I've been really wanting to try this, by the way. And finally, of course, 1 of the Airwick oil warmers. Now, these are all the coupons that you're going to want to clip. There's 4 of them total, including the 5 off of 25 coupon. On a side note, I really like this new format. I really hope you guys do too, because I like how much bigger the coupons are. To me, they are easier to read, so I really hope you guys like it. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $6.50 plus tax for a total, and I cannot believe it's been this long since I've been able to do this, for a total 75% off savings. That is amazing. That is $25.50 worth of products for only $6.50 plus tax, of course. This next coupon deal is definitely one that I am really personally looking forward to, because if you've been here for a while on my channel, you know during certain times of the year, I really like to stock up on lotion. I get really painfully dry skin during the winter months. You know, I live here in Ohio. Gotta love it. So whenever we get good coupons, I always want to stock up. So in this deal, you're going to want to grab 2 bottles of Vaseline lotion, whichever scent you want, a bottle of Eucerin lotion, 1 bottle of the Vitafusion Multivites, and I believe you can get either the women's or the men's. Just make sure the coupon applies, of course. Grab 1 bag of Oral-B floss picks, and then finally 1 bottle of the Palmolive dish soap for $2.75. Super important that you get the $2.75 size bottle. Then here's the coupons you're going to want to clip, total of 6 of them. And your total out of pocket comes down to just $10.10 plus tax out of pocket for a 63% off savings. This next coupon deal reminds me of a question that I'm always asking you guys. What is a coupon that you really miss getting that we used to get all the time? Do y'all remember when we used to get those awesome Lysol coupons? And for that matter, those $3.99 off of 2 Dawn Power Wash coupons? Whew, y'all. Can we please take a moment to put it out into the couponing universe that we would really like to have those coupons back? Here's to hoping. But in the meantime, and for this couponing deal, you're going to want to grab 1 box of the Neutrogena acne patches, 1 Airwick Essential Mist Kit. Super awesome that they have them on sale for only $11. 1 Dawn Power Wash refill, and finally 1 bottle of the Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner. Here are the 5 coupons that you're going to want to clip, and then your total out of pocket comes down to just $10 even plus tax for an awesome 60% off savings. If you're liking the couponing deals so far, by the way, if you could do me a huge favor, give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here on my channel, and share it with your friends and family members so that they can learn how to coupon and save money too, because we got to share the deals around. Now, for this next couponing deal, you're going to want to grab 2 bottles of the Irish Spring body wash. I always love it when we get this $4 off a 2 Irish Spring coupon. Then grab 2 bottles of the Axe styling gels. They are $5 each. This is for sure one of my favorite coupons this week. It makes for a super low out of pocket, and when you work it into other couponing deals, man, the savings are amazing. And then grab 1 bottle of the Finish Jet Dry Cleaner. Here's the 4 coupons that you want to clip. Super easy. And your total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $8.65 plus tax for a 66% off savings. Which, side note, if you are new to couponing, this is a really easy deal for you to do. I always recommend when people are new to coupons, do not go for a very big, complicated scenario. Definitely go for a small one, fewer amount of coupons, fewer complications, and it just eases your stress at the checkout. Because checkout stress with coupons is a real thing. Leave me a comment down below if you believe me. Now, moving on. This next coupon deal, we're going to stock up on vitamins because in the month of January is definitely one of the best times to stock up on vitamins. We tend to have those high value coupons to help bring our out of pocket down. So in this deal, you're going to want to grab one box of the Centrum Silver vitamins, one bottle of the Vitafusion Multivites, one of the $5 size bottles of all free and clear laundry detergent. I love this laundry detergent, by the way. An Airwick oil warmer, and again, one of those $2.75 size bottles of Palmolive dish soap. Now, of course, here are the 6 coupons that you're going to want to clip, and that's going to bring your total out of pocket all the way down to just $8.90 plus tax for a 67% off savings. Next up, this is another deal that reminds me of the coupons that we used to get all the time. Do y'all remember when we used to get those amazing toothpaste coupons? Whoo, y'all, the 5 off of 3, the 4 off of 2. I mean, it was definitely the prime time to stock up on toothpaste. I always tell people when you're new to coupons, do not pay full price for coupons. It's definitely a couponing no-no. But this week, we do have some good toothpaste coupons. So in this deal, grab one box of the Crest 3D White toothpaste for $9, a box of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, a bag of the Oral-B Floss Picks, 2 bottles of Vaseline lotion, and finally one of the Febreze Small Spaces. Here are the 6 coupons that you're going to want to clip, and that's going to bring your total out of pocket down to just $8.85 plus tax for a 68% off savings. For the next couponing deal, I have a quick question. For those of you that have tried the Neutrogena acne patches, can you let me know down below what you thought about them? Because I've been wanting to try them for a while. I've tried several other brands, but I've never gotten around to trying these. I would really, really love your feedback. But since we have this great coupon for it, grab one box of the Neutrogena acne patches, 1 pack of the Skintimate razors. Side note, I missed a $4 off coupon. $2 is, I mean, it's not bad, but y'all, these coupons need to step up. And then grab one of the Febreze plug boosters, and finally one of the Dawn Power Wash refills. Here's the 5 coupons that you're going to want to clip for this deal. And that's going to bring your total out of pocket down to a super easy $10 even plus tax for a 64% off savings. Moving on to my next favorite couponing deal this week. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love the Mr. Clean Magic Razors. I use them for everything cleaning around my house. And I'm getting really low. I think I'm down to like my last 1 or 2. So if you're like me and you want to stock up, here's a really great deal for you to do. Grab one of the 4-count packs of Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, a Eucerin lotion, one of those $2.75 bottles of Palmolive dish soap, a Lysol all-purpose cleaner, a Finish jet dry cleaner, and finally one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. Because this is a little bit of a bigger couponing deal, of course, we're going to need more coupons. So here are the 7 coupons that you're going to want to clip, and that's going to bring your final out of pocket down to just $10.20 plus tax for 61% off savings. Not bad when you consider this is $26.45 worth of products. So truthfully, I was a little bit nervous working on couponing deal videos for this week because obviously it's been a while since I've worked on them. I took a little bit of a hiatus. But I was nervous that the coupons weren't going to be good this week because, you know, they haven't been great over the last couple of months. But y'all, I was so excited to see not only all these awesome Axe coupons that we got, but my favorite $2 off extra laundry detergent coupons back. If you've been wanting to build up your laundry stockpile, this is definitely a really easy way to do it. So grab 2 bottles of the Axe styling gels, a bottle of Axe body wash, a Febreze Small Spaces, one of the big bottles of extra laundry detergent, and finally one of the Airwick oil warmers. Then here are the 6 coupons you need to clip for this deal. And that's going to bring your total out of pocket down to just $8.25 plus tax for a 71% off savings, which is amazing when you consider you're getting a full size bottle of laundry detergent and a bunch of really other great goodies to add in as well. So this is definitely another one of my favorite deals this week. For this next couponing deal, super easy. Grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, a bottle of Eucerin Lotion, a bottle of the Dawn Power Wash Refill, and then again, one of those 4-packs of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Make sure you clip these 5 coupons, and that's going to bring your total out of pocket down to just $11 even plus tax for a 59% off savings. So if you think about it, you're paying full price, you're paying the sale price for the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, and then everything else ends up being free. That's definitely one of my favorite type of couponing deals. I just want to say thank you so much for watching today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really missed posting these deals, so it feels so good to be back. Now, again, if you could do me a huge favor, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already. Leave me a comment down below. These are all things that are super easy and super awesome to support my channel. Also, if you're looking for even more couponing deals, of course, I'll be posting some more deal videos, but check out the video description. It will have information for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page, where you can gain access for just $5 a month to my complete couponing deals list in a PDF form every week. And this week, I believe I posted a total of 50 plus coupon deals over there. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out, and I will see you in the next deal video.